Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel that generates significant income is a fascinating goal, as demonstrated by channels like Mission to the Loop, which reportedly earned $30,000 from a single video. This impressive feat was achieved through a combination of ad revenue and affiliate marketing. With 1 million views and a CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, of $5, the channel earned at least $5,000 from ads alone. However, the real earnings came from promoting an affiliate product, such as Tube Mastery from Digistore24, which provides a $250 commission per sale. Even with conservative estimates of 100 sales, this added an extra $25,000 to the total revenue. Combined, the earnings from this single video reached around $30,000, showcasing the immense potential of well-executed faceless YouTube channels. To replicate such success, starting with a unique and memorable channel name is crucial. Tools like Namelix can help generate creative names that reflect your niche, such as AI or making money online. Once a name is selected, create a professional email dedicated to the channel for organization. After setting up your YouTube account with this email, enhance your channel's visuals with a logo and banner. Pinterest offers a wealth of design inspiration, allowing you to find free images related to your niche. By searching for terms like AI avatar or futuristic design, you can locate visuals that resonate with your brand and customize them to fit your channel's style. With the channel set up, the next step is crafting high-quality videos. The key to creating content that attracts viewers is understanding what resonates with the audience. Open an incognito browser window to explore trending videos in your niche without being influenced by your watch history. Channels like Geekbot AI and Digital Income Project can provide inspiration. Combine this exploration with tools like vidIQ, which analyzes high-performing keywords and topics by showing their search volume and competition scores. Ideally, aim for topics with high search volume and low competition for the best chance of success. Once you've identified a compelling topic, create a captivating title and thumbnail. Titles should be intriguing and structured to spark curiosity, while thumbnails need to be visually appealing with bold text, high contrast, and a clear focal point. Tools like Freepik and Canva simplify the process of designing thumbnails. For example, you can generate a futuristic image on Freepik and enhance it with text and effects in Canva. Experimenting with colors and ensuring readability on mobile devices are critical for creating thumbnails that drive clicks. The script for your video plays an equally important role in engaging the audience. Platforms like InVideo offer efficient solutions for script writing, allowing you to select the tone and vibe of your video. Input the topic, choose the style, such as informative or engaging, and generate a polished script tailored for YouTube. This makes the process faster and ensures consistency in tone and messaging. By following these steps, you can set up a faceless YouTube channel with a clear strategy to monetize from the first upload. Combining engaging content, data-driven topic selection, and effective affiliate marketing can position your channel for significant earnings. With the right tools and approach, achieving results similar to Mission to the Loop is well within reach. Creating a successful faceless YouTube automation channel is easier than ever, thanks to advancements in technology and access to tools that simplify the entire process. It starts with a well-crafted script, and I recommend using tools like InVideo to generate your initial draft. While the tool offers a great starting point, make sure to personalize your script. Adjust the opening hook to grab attention, remove any unnecessary instructions, and infuse it with your style. Add humor or motivational lines to keep the audience entertained. Even the best tools provide only the foundation. Your creativity is what truly makes the script shine. Once the script is ready, the next step is to create a voiceover. For this, 11 Labs is a fantastic AI-powered voice generator that delivers natural-sounding results. Signing up is simple. Just head to their website, verify your email, and log in. From there, choose a voice that matches your content's tone. Paste your script into the text box, click Generate, and within seconds, your voiceover will be ready to download. With the script and voiceover prepared, it's time to move on to video editing. Editing is the secret sauce behind any successful YouTube channel. Top creators like Isaac, How to AI, and Digital Income Project set a high standard with their engaging edits, and you can achieve similar results. For this, I recommend using CapCut, a user-friendly editing tool that allows for high-quality and engaging edits. If CapCut is unavailable in your region, a VPN can help you download it from their official website. Once installed, open CapCut, create a new project, and upload your voiceover to the timeline. To elevate the quality of your edits, consider using premium video editing assets. These assets simplify the editing process by providing pre-made elements that save time and effort. For example, adding green screen icons from these assets can enhance your video by highlighting key points or injecting humor. Drag the icons into the timeline, use the chroma key tool to remove the green background, and seamlessly integrate them into your footage. These small additions make your video more dynamic and keep viewers engaged. Sound effects play a vital role in retaining viewer attention. Subtle audio cues like clicks, swooshes, and chimes add energy to your video, making it feel alive. For instance, a swoosh sound can accompany the introduction of a new topic, while a gentle click can emphasize transitions. These effects might seem minor, but they are powerful tools to maintain your audience's interest. Transitions are another essential component of professional editing. Smooth transitions between sections keep the flow of your video intact and prevent awkward cuts. CapCut makes it easy to add and adjust transitions. For example, a fade-in with a sparkle effect can enhance the intro, while a slide transition can separate distinct topics. These visual effects ensure your video maintains a polished and cohesive appearance. Adding on-screen text and animations further enriches your video. Whether it's titles, captions, or bullet points, text helps emphasize key messages. Animations bring these elements to life, making them visually appealing. With premium assets, you can skip the tedious process of creating these elements from scratch. Instead, you can focus on crafting content that resonates with your audience. Background music is another important aspect of video editing. A subtle music track enhances the mood and keeps viewers engaged without overshadowing the narration. Select music that complements the tone of your video, energetic tracks for exciting moments and calmer ones for serious discussions. Adjust the volume to ensure the music remains in the background, supporting the overall narrative. Once all these elements are in place, refine your video by syncing visuals, sound effects, and animations with the voiceover. Perform a final review to check sound levels, transitions, and overall timing. When satisfied, export your video in 1080p at 30 FPS to ensure a crisp and smooth viewing experience. Now that your video is complete, the next step is uploading it to YouTube. Use an attention-grabbing title and a straightforward description. Make sure to include any relevant links, such as affiliate products, in the description or pinned comment. For added discoverability, use tools like rapid tags to generate SEO-friendly tags. Upload a visually striking thumbnail designed to attract clicks, and once everything is ready, hit publish. For monetization, consider promoting high-ticket affiliate products. A great example is Tube Mastery from Digistore24, which offers generous commissions per sale. Signing up for Digistore24 is simple and gives you access to a marketplace filled with digital products. Once signed up, generate your affiliate link for the product you wish to promote and include it in your video description. Driving traffic to these affiliate links can significantly boost your earnings. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is key. Each video you create is a step closer to achieving your goals. While the journey may seem daunting, tools like premium video editing assets can give you a significant head start. These assets are designed to save time, enhance quality, and simplify the process, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical challenges. Ultimately, action is what separates successful creators from those who merely dream of success. Take the first step, even if things aren't perfect. Over time, you'll refine your skills and build a channel that stands out. Your journey begins now, so make it count.